In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly payment pending too long. So if you wish to fix this particular error, what you can do is you first need to head over right there into your Remitly. As you can see right here, we have in here this user that has the same problem as us, wherein they sent money through Remitly, but the recipient hasn't received it after several days. This is because the payment is pending too long. So for this case, what you can do is you can head over to the transfer status and see the actual transfer status from there. You can either see in progress or on hold, and this statuses may mean that handling is taking longer than expected. You can check recipient details because this is the common cause for the rejection or the delay. So for this case, you need to make sure that your recipient details is correct. Next, you can contact Remitly support. If you're not sure about this, you can head over and then reach out to the support to get help with your actual query. So keep an eye on your communications once you head over and then done this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.